In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Gmail auto reply message. Whether you're going on vacation, stepping away from your desk for a while, or just want to inform people that you might take a bit longer to respond, setting up an auto reply is a perfect solution to keep everyone in the loop. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to your Gmail account. Make sure you're logged in with the account for which you want to set up the auto reply. This process is all about setting up what's called a vacation responder, even if it's not strictly for vacations. So once you're logged in, look to the upper right corner of your Gmail interface. You're going to find a gear icon, which is your settings menu. Go ahead and click that gear icon, and from the drop-down that appears, select See All Settings. After clicking See All Settings, you'll be taken to the Settings page. Here, you'll want to make sure you're on the General tab. The General Settings tab is the default view, so you should land there automatically. Scroll down to the bottom of the page, and you will find a section titled Vacation Responder. This is where you will set up your auto reply. In the Vacation Responder section, you'll first want to check the box next to the label Vacation Responder on. Doing this activates the auto reply function. Right below, you'll notice two fields, First Day and Last Day. The first day is the date you want your auto reply to start. You'll set this according to your schedule. You can also choose to select the last day, which is optional. If you don't specify a last day, Gmail will keep sending your auto reply until you turn it off manually. Next, you'll see a subject field. Here, you want to enter a clear and concise subject line for the email. This could be something like out of office or response delayed. Then, move on to the message box below to compose your message. This is where you communicate the details you want your contacts to know, such as your unavailability period or alternative contact methods, if necessary. An additional tip is that below the message, you will see an option to send this to your contacts only. If you check this box, your auto reply will be sent only to people in your contact list, safeguarding against spamming unknown senders with your absence note. Once you're happy with your message, simply scroll down and hit the Save Changes button. That's it. You've successfully set up a Gmail auto reply message. Whenever someone emails you, they'll receive your automated response, ensuring they know why you may not reply right away. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you manage your emails with ease. If you found this video useful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.